Like she could quiet a classroom just by walking in it and looking. But
That's
this
just the teachers.
but this is a story about breakfast. There. So I get to the hospital, and Julie has been there for a few hours. This is about 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, and so Mom has had something to eat before her breakfast, her hospital breakfast arrives. And Julie decides, well, look, it's a little close to her past meal. She'd been snacking early. So let's leave the breakfast for an hour or so, and we do so. But in an hour or so, it's a little cold. And so I decide I'm going to go and find a microwave and heat up the breakfast, which is fine. So there's a bowl of cereal, which she loved, and there's a boiled egg, which, unbeknownst to me, she also loved. I take them both to a microwave in the hospital. And the microwave is a very complicated machine because it's got numbers which correlate to absolutely nothing. So if you press 1, it'll say something like 11.7 seconds. And if you press 2, it'll say 20 seconds, 3, 30, and then 4 is 42.4 seconds, something insane. So I decided to go slow. So I put in the oatmeal. I hit 3, which gives me 30 seconds, and the oatmeal comes out and it's not that warm. So I hit 3 again, and it's perfect. Now I'm in a kitchenette, a kitchen area in the hospital where I guess patients and nurses can come in. So there's an older patient, an old man who is getting some ice water. And there's a nurse, a young Asian nurse, who clearly is just beginning. And she's doing something with, I can't really figure it out. She's trying to get cutlery, plastic cutlery, but she's struggling to get some plastic cutlery. And I'm ignoring them both because I'm focusing on my mom's food. So I've got the oatmeal warm and I put the egg in. And I press 30 seconds because I think that should be enough for any egg. What you don't know about this hospital is it prepares this food immaculately, and this egg, one single little egg, is on a plate, a china plate with a cover. It's the only thing on this plate. So I put everything into the microwave, plate, cover, and I hit 30. And I look around, and the old man is trying to figure out how to get the ice machine thing to work. I let him do whatever he's doing, and I go to help the nurse pull out this thing of cutlery. As I turn my back, I hear BAM! And it doesn't like BAM, it's like BAM! Well, let me tell you, this old man, I don't want his info, but they were calling a code for him on that. He just leapt up, he dropped his ice, the Asian girl just dropped to the ground, like she thought we were under attack. I look around in amazement because all I've done is put an egg in a microwave. I open this microwave and this egg has exploded. Cover has hit the top of the microwave, egg everywhere. All right, that's not the story about my mom's egg. What happens next is, because I have to go in and I explain, I think it's pretty rational. I said, look, the egg exploded. Mom's sitting right there, Julie's there, and I'm really speaking to Julie more than to Mom, because I said, look, the egg exploded, the oatmeal's warm, I'm gonna go get an egg. And my mom says, what does he mean by what egg exploded? And Julie says, well, no, there's a restaurant, I forget the name of the restaurant, Pumpernickel's. You go to Pumpernickel's and get an egg. Because apparently there was an egg story before, which I won't get into. But anyway, then my family knows where the boiled eggs in this hospital are. So I got to get this, I got to Pumpernickel's, which isn't open because whatever, and I get an egg sandwich instead, and I come back. When I come back, my mom says, son, you got a lot of education, right? You're supposed to be an educated man, right? I'm looking at my mother like, I want a rational explanation for what happened to my boy. And it went on like that. Like, my mother could not understand why a grown, educated man leaves the room with an egg and comes back with no egg. And she kept that up for a day. Like, every time she saw me, she says, let me understand.